Hey guys, it's been 2 weeks. I have been busy. I have been sick, hence why I missed a week. But now that's done and over with, still affecting me brain-wise. Had the stomach flu, was down and out for like 4 days. It's the worst I've ever felt in like 5 years. So recovered from that, and we got some stuff done. So my garage is still a mess, but there is a slew of stuff on the ground, parts, blah, blah, blah. Got around 150 pounds out of the car, surprisingly. And it's on the ground. I actually just did this. We finally got the brake pads from Hawk. Thank you to DJ for getting me those. We got the sound ending out, the seats back in. I don't have long enough bolts for the seat bracket combo with this bucket seat, but I'm gonna get a new bucket seat, containment seat soon. So this will be going to the passenger side and the new one will be going here. So hopefully it'll all work out. If not, we'll do some quick fabrication. Otherwise, I think I've caught up. Besides all that, was just all a lot of weight reduction, passenger seats out, and really my whole list here is pretty much done. So we got the hubs in, bled the brakes, changed the sway bar settings to the softest setting up front, and that again is for percentage of roll couple front to back, trying to get that more even. Sphericals are all done. I measured the old brake pads. I did not do the diff cover change because we changed the fluid. We went from a Modal 90 PA or PA 90, whatever it is, to the Modal 75 140 competition fluid. And that's that. No diff catch can. I did replace my trans fluid, removed as much sound deadening as I could, which is like around 9 pounds. Did not do that yet, but I'll do that before my next event. Still up for debate on this one. Front calipers are all done, especially with the brakes. I have not done the splitter for Club TR yet. And then we torqued all of the things that we replaced. I have not done the alignment yet because of that. The only thing left to do is, if SCCA allows me to, we have this nice little speaker box here that is just all sheet metal, nothing structural. Anything, it would be stiffened by this roll bar, but apparently all the metal here is worth 25 pounds. So you can take that out and just leave a nice little area back here that we can just put stuff on. I know this is like my fuel, top of my fuel tank, but yeah, as long as we don't cut the wires or anything. So that's that. And then because I have my brake pads, I can take this car to the shop and take off the AC. So we have the AC clutch and compressors down here, the condensers in front of this radiator. So I just have to take it out, either drain the whole system, or maybe I can just pull it out because this right here is actually like a plastic cap that I can actually unscrew the condenser. So we'll see. Haven't seen it done yet. And then, as I said, bring it to the shop so we can drain the Freon out of this car. Got to be environmentally friendly with motorsports as much as we can, especially because your boy here is an atmospheric scientist by degree. But yeah, pretty much a mess in here still, but the car is back on the ground and I can bring it to the shop and start to get the Freon taken out. Pretty stoked. Also, I'm probably going to take all this off because I'm sure the cop is going to pull me over. You're like, sir, you got a bunch of tape on your windshield. That is a obstruction of view. You're going to get a ticket for that. So as I'm doing all this, this was just a quick catch up. Thanks for watching. We only have a few more things to do, and I'm pretty excited for this season. See you guys.